My name is Sumit Saxena. I've been working with this company for the last 5 years. My current title is that I'm a senior manager, product development, and I'm associated with a project called Activa presently.
Okay. So, how long have you been using Velocity?
Well, with Activa, Activa was a project whereby we started putting in velocity practices right from the beginning, and we've been using it for the last 2.5 years.
Okay. And how did the customer and the partner team approach Velocity?
Well, I think it was velocity was the big reason why they chose us against many other partners. They when they approached us, there were other competitive vendors that they'd gone out for, and as a part of the selection process, they'd chosen Global Logic over the others because they were confident that we had a platform that could support their development well. So I think velocity was an integral part of the decisioning process.
Okay, great. So, how does the Velocity help you and your partner team in your day-to-day work?
I think as velocity is based on agile, and the customer is very aligned to the agile principles. We go by the agile manifesto, and that has helped the customer gain confidence in the platform that we're using. More specifically, I think the level of openness that the platform provides via the different tools that it has, and also the concept of collaborative work environment, be it collaborative decision making or having status updates done in a collaborative team-based manner. This thing is a thing that has been much appreciated by the partner and has worked well for the team.
Okay, that's wonderful. If there's any Velocity feature which you would like to, which reminds you and which helps the team really work as a team, can you just list a couple of them?
So, what has worked well? In fact, a lot of the examples that I'm giving are with respect to Activa, but as a part of the business unit that I'm in, I'm also involved in sharing velocity practices across other projects. So, the ones which I think have really helped us is the way that the planning process takes place. That we are putting focus towards making the team capable of planning out the features, detailing them out, and executing upon them. So it allows for team members to collaborate more openly, and plus creates a greater sense of ownership between the team members, because then the team feels that they are in control, basically, that they are working against a plan that they themselves have laid out. So I think the planning process that we have in Velocity has worked well. Apart from this, the tracking mechanisms that we have in Velocity, with how we track iterations and releases, that have actually been strengthened quite a bit over the last couple of years. I've closely seen that we can now predict the health and the schedules for short and long-term releases very effectively, and that being done in an agile environment is a big success for us.
Okay, great. So, how likely would you recommend Velocity to other teams? I have been seeing that you have been using it not only in one project, Activa, you have been doing it in other projects in your particular business unit. That is a good thing.
Right. What is good about Velocity is that you can adopt pieces of it rather than taking the whole thing at a straight go. There are many things which are applicable to one project unit and may not be directly applicable to others, because there are different kind of engagement models and relationships. So I think that Velocity is quite adaptable in that sense, and there are separate parts of Velocity that we are actually trying to put across to different teams. Like certain things are horizontal and would be applicable all across. Things like daily stand-up meetings, for instance. Those are things which will be applicable across the product teams, and many product teams across the views are actually now conforming to that. But more specifically, like I mentioned, how we do release planning and execution are things which are also being adopted across many other projects that we have in the VO. So I think it has been taken up quite well.
Great. Thank you very much, Sumit. We had a very fruitful discussion, and we will try to take your feedback, whatever you have said right now, and try to improve velocity as we
Sure,
go ahead.
sure. I'm excited about the velocity movement that we have within the company and would love to contribute to it anytime.
Thank you very much.